Sarah had the biggest wedding booking of her career, $20,000 for one weekend. Then Hurricane Maria hit Puerto Rico. She canceled everything, flew there with her camera instead. For 2 weeks, she documented families rebuilding their lives. Elderly couples sharing their last can of food, children playing in the ruins of their schools. She came home broke, couldn't pay rent, but those photos changed everything. National Geographic called, then Time magazine, then the Pulitzer Committee. She said later, "I thought I was giving up my career. Instead, I found my calling." Sometimes the right choice costs everything up front, but pays you back in ways money never could.